Hi everybody, this is Teacher Fernando and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm talking about how to use will and going to, as these two grammatical forms are used to talk about the future, and we have studied them before, but today we are going to see when to use one and another. So, shall we go? So in order to keep things sorted, let's see the rules. When we use will, we talk about future predictions based on opinions or past experiences. And when we use going to, we talk about future intentions and predictions based on evidence we can see now. Let's see how the rules are applied in the following sentences. Here we have the following exercise, which is already solved, as the purpose is to explain why each alternative has been chosen in order to complete the sentences. On the example sentence, it says, they are playing badly, they are going to lose. Here we have a sentence in which we are making a prediction based on the evidence that they are playing badly. That's why we are using going to. On sentence number 1, we have the following. It says, one day we'll live on the moon. Here, the person is expressing an opinion based on his own or her own beliefs and what he or she might think it might happen in the future. So it's a prediction based on an opinion. In number 2, we have the following. It says, there's a lot of food in the fridge. We aren't going to be hungry. Here we're making a prediction using going to because we have the evidence. And the evidence is a lot of food in the fridge. In sentence number 3, we have, I'm going to email my cousin in Australia. And it's because we know that going to is used to talk about or express, better said, an intention. And here the person is expressing his or her intention to write to his or her cousin in Australia. And that's why we are using going to. In sentence 4, it says, Jack definitely won't be late. And here we're using won't because we are making a prediction based on our opinion, not on evidence. Finally, we are on sentence number 5. And here the alternative is, are you going to have a vacation this year? And the option is, are you going to, because we are asking for an intention. If the person being asked has the intention of going on holidays. And because of that, we are using going to. Okay, this was today's video. Goodbye and see you next time. This was Teacher Fernando. Goodbye.